The inverter in a Tesla Model S is a critical component that converts direct current electricity from the battery pack into alternating current needed to power the electric motor. This conversion is essential for vehicle propulsion. While inverter failures have become less common in newer Tesla Model S vehicles from 2018 onward due to Tesla's proprietary in-house designs, they remain a significant concern for older models built between 2012 and 2017, which used components from external suppliers. When an inverter fails, it can result in sudden power loss, display error messages on the vehicle's screen, and potentially force the car into limp mode, where speed is limited to around 50 miles per hour for safety. This section introduces the problem and its impact on Tesla Model S owners. Before diving into diagnostics, let's briefly understand how the inverter functions. The inverter converts direct current from the battery to alternating current for the motor, enabling vehicle propulsion. This conversion is critical for the car's operation. The first diagnostic step is to check the Tesla app or the vehicle's center screen for error logs. These logs can provide valuable clues about inverter issues. Look for messages like powertrain failure or specific error codes such as 0x000100, which indicate inverter faults. This initial check is safe and can be done without tools. Next, perform a visual inspection of the inverter area, located at the rear of the vehicle. Look for signs of coolant leaks, burnt smells, or any visible damage to the components. The inverter is typically mounted near the rear wheels and may show external signs of overheating or failure. Safety first. Ensure the vehicle is off and cool before inspecting. For more detailed diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner equipped with Tesla-specific software, such as Scan My Tesla. Plug it into the vehicle's OBD port and read the error codes. This tool provides in-depth information about inverter faults, helping to pinpoint the exact issue. Always follow safety guidelines when working with vehicle electronics. Finally, use a multimeter to check the 12 volts auxiliary battery. Measure the voltage and look for unusual fluctuations, which could signal inverter problems. The 12-volt battery supports the vehicle's electronics, and its health is interconnected with the high-voltage system. These steps collectively help determine the severity of the inverter issue. Tesla issued recalls in 2023 for 2013-2015 Model S vehicles due to capacitor failures and fire risks. By 2026, Tesla has expanded free inverter replacements under warranty for affected vehicles, even beyond the original coverage, due to safety concerns. Check your eligibility via Tesla's app or service centers. This could be your first and best solution. Inverter repairs involve high-voltage systems that can reach up to 800 volts DC, posing serious electrocution risks. Due to these dangers, DIY repairs are strongly discouraged. Tesla recommends towing your vehicle to a service center immediately if you experience power loss. Only certified technicians possess the specialized tools and expertise required to safely diagnose and repair inverter issues. Safety must always be the top priority in these high-voltage operations. When repairing a Tesla Model S inverter outside of warranty, Tesla service centers charge between $8,000 and $12,000 for the replacement, which includes labor and a new integrated drive unit. Third-party repair shops offer the same fix for $3,000 to $7,000, but choosing this option may void your Tesla warranty. Tesla has introduced an inverter health check feature in their app that alerts owners to early signs of issues, such as voltage fluctuations. When deciding between Tesla service and third-party options, weigh the potential cost savings against the risk of voiding your warranty. Regular maintenance is key to extending your Tesla Model S inverter's life. Start by checking coolant levels, as the inverter depends on liquid cooling to prevent overheating. Avoid frequent rapid charging in hot weather, which can cause thermal stress and accelerate capacitor degradation in the inverter. To understand why cooling matters, here's a simple circuit diagram showing the inverter converting DC from the battery to AC for the motor. Following these preventative maintenance tips can significantly prolong the lifespan of your Model S inverter and reduce the likelihood of failure. Tesla's move to in-house inverters after 2018 and the adoption of silicon carbide semiconductors have significantly improved reliability. OTA updates now include predictive diagnostics using AI to identify wear before failure. Future models may use modular inverters for easier recycling and repair. Expect inverter failures to become rare by 2030 with liquid-cooled regenerative designs.